It's the final countdown. Ground Patrol to Major Tom. Ground Patrol to Major. Bro, what is it? I might have a concussion now. It's the new year, bro. In 3 hours, the countdown's gonna go down. We're gonna be in January 1st, 2023. Dude, first of all, it's 7 a.m. Second of all, it's not even December. It's March. Now wait. Wake up! Now. I counted. It's exactly December 1st. It's the 1st, not the 31st. We can do time travel. Exactly how? I have a way. Time zones. I don't think that's how it works. I think it does. Sushi restaurants. Anime posters. Japan. 10 more minutes! What? Gotta get the legal fireworks set off quickly. I found one. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! That's my cue. Oh wow, that looks so beautiful. Oh shoot. Oh no, the bed. Don't even ask. Kids, don't do illegal fireworks. Now presenting to you the cat cam for when I was filming. Happy New Year! Sub for more, or else.